Common mistakes to avoid on tax forms. Understanding the intricacies of tax returns and forms can be a daunting task. However, with the right information and guidance, you can navigate through this process with ease. This channel will provide a comprehensive guide on tax returns, W-2, and 1099 tax forms, which are crucial components of tax planning. Understanding tax returns. A tax return is a document that taxpayers submit to the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, detailing their income, deductions, and tax credits. The information provided in the tax return helps determine whether the taxpayer owes additional taxes or is eligible for a tax refund. Importance of tax returns. Tax returns can be a daunting task for many individuals, especially when it comes to understanding the various forms and documents involved. Two commonly used forms are the W-2 and 1099 tax forms. In this blog post, we will delve into the details of these forms and provide a comprehensive guide to help you navigate through your tax return process. Whether you are an employee or a freelancer, understanding these forms is crucial for accurately reporting your income and ensuring compliance with tax regulations. Understanding the W-2 tax form. What is a W-2 tax form? Definition and purpose of the W-2 form. Who receives a W-2 form? Key information included in a W-2 form. How to read and interpret a W-2 tax form. Understanding the different sections of a W-2 form. Identifying and interpreting important figures on a W-2 form. Common mistakes to avoid when reading a W-2 form. Reporting income and deductions on a W-2 tax form. How to report wages and salary income on a W-2 form. Deductions and credits available on a W-2 form. Tips for accurately reporting income and deductions on a W-2 form. Demystifying the 1099 tax form. What is a 1099 tax form? Who receives a 1099 form? Different types of 1099 forms and their specific purposes. Understanding the different sections of a 1099 tax form. Identifying and interpreting key information on a 1099 form. Common types of income reported on a 1099 form. How to handle multiple 1099 forms. Reporting income and deductions on a 1099 tax form. How to report self-employment income on a 1099 form. Deductions and credits available on a 1099 form. Tips for accurately reporting income and deductions on a 1099 form. Key differences between W-2 and 1099 tax forms. Employee versus independent contractor. Understanding the distinction between an employee and an independent contractor. How this distinction affects the use of W-2 and 1099 forms. Pros and cons of being an employee or an independent contractor. Tax obligations and responsibilities. Tax withholding for employees versus estimated tax payments for independent contractors. Differences in tax deductions and credits available for employees and independent contractors. How to determine your tax obligations based on your employment status. Conclusion. Navigating the world of tax returns can be overwhelming, but understanding the W-2 and 1099 tax forms is a crucial step towards ensuring accurate reporting and compliance with tax regulations. By familiarizing yourself with the details of these forms and their respective requirements, you can confidently tackle your tax return process and avoid potential pitfalls. Remember, seeking professional advice from a tax expert is always recommended to ensure you are maximizing your deductions and minimizing your tax liability. Fiduciary reporting, edit. According to Section 1223(b) of the Pension Protection Act of 2006, a nonprofit organization that does not file annual returns or notices for 3 consecutive years will have its tax-exempt status revoked as of the due date of the third return or notice.